Dude, you suck at this game, man. I'm pretty sure my sister could beat you.
Dude, I've seen your sister play, man. She could kick your ass.
Whatever.
The hell's his problem?
I think he had a crappy day at work today.
Oh.
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, so I found a way that I think we can get free tuition, and I think you're gonna like it. Oh, I already don't like where this is going. So I hire a guy named Greg, and he comes in and he stabs him 47 times. Think about it. It'll look like a suicide. Help! Please! Please! Wait, so your plan is to hire some guy named Greg and get him to stab our roommate 37 times to try to make it look like a suicide?
47, and yes.
If the whole point is to make it look like a suicide, go for something that's a lot less murdery.
Like what?
What? Drowning. That's better than stabbing. Drowning looks a lot more like suicide than being stabbed to death. Drowning is stupid. Fine, then what do you want to do, huh? Yeah, we could always try suffocation. Wait, is this because he keeps eating your food? It was a triple bacon sandwich, Steven. I had nothing but to look forward to that, and it was just taken away from me. Just tell him to stop eating your food. No. Hey man, I just wanted to apologize for eating your sandwich, you know? It was delicious, but it wasn't mine. I had a rough day, you know? My dog ran away, my girlfriend left me, they ended up running away together. Not together, but, you know, and then they ended up getting hit by a semi on their way out. I think the worst part about it, though, is I got a C on a math paper that I had spent 30 minutes on, so hope you can forgive me. He really does care. Anyway, I'm starved. Ooh, new sandwich.